So hey there, beautiful people. Now we are here again, and I wanted to remind you of the importance in the self-work to take care of yourself. And a simple way to do so is to take a walk. Walking is the best self-care, how do you say it? It is the best thing you do for yourself when you're feeling everything else than good. And it's also the best you can do for yourself when you're feeling good. I can tell you from my own experience that on one point in my life I was in a very dark place a few years ago. I was paralyzed with anxiety and depression. I didn't go outside. I didn't do the work in my home. I was almost unable to take care of my kids. I barely did it. And the thing that saved me from that place was to begin to work. And in the beginning, I could only go outside and walk half of my street and then go home. And it's like, I don't know, maybe 1 kilometer. And 2 times or 3 times a day, depending on how I was feeling, I did that. I always got up, got out and walked this short distance. And by time, I always walked further and further. And the steps, they were small. They were, first was just my street. And the street here in Iceland, they are short. And next step was just the street below my street. Until I was able to go outside and walk 20 kilometers. And I still do so today. Not as often as I did, because I haven't been feeling well, but I always try to go outside as often as I can, because it's a life-changing advice and experience for you to just go outside. You see here, I live in Iceland. You see the landscape here, and the sun is shining. And today we are celebrating the first day of the summer here, and we get this weather. It's only 5 degrees and the sun is shining. Before I got outside, I was at my home taking a sun bath in 5 degrees and sun, and I was sweating. So you can imagine how hot the sun is here. But it's the best advice and the best thing you do for yourself, to go outside and to walk. And just start small. It doesn't matter if you just walk 10 steps. Just begin. And in the end, you will see progress. I promise you. All right. Until next time. Bye-bye.